Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable performance in the Trainline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the app settings section, look for the your privacy choices button and click on that. And within this, look for the performance button. And if you want to enable this function, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned blue, it is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.